Long-term risk of adult ADHD medications. You have seen your doctor and made this decision. It's time to get your ADHD under control. But you may wonder, is the medicine you need safe for the long haul? If you are an adult, most of the long-term worry about ADHD meds has to do with how they affect other conditions you have. Your doctor will examine you, and together you can create a plan that keeps you healthy and helps you focus. Side effects and risks associated with the long-term use of ADHD medication include heart disease, high blood pressure, seizures, irregular heartbeat, abuse and addiction, skin discolorations. Seizure or irregular heartbeat. Another ADHD medication, atomoxetine, isn't a stimulant but it has been linked to seizures and irregular heartbeat. The FDA suggests people with a history of those problems stay away from it. Abuse or addiction. Some people misuse ADHD stimulant drugs. They might crush the pills and snort them to get high, which can lead to a dangerous overdose. If you don't have a history of substance abuse, it's unlikely you'll go down that road. But if you do, you could be at risk for misusing your ADHD drugs. Skin discoloration. The methylphenidate transdermal system skin patch has been linked to a skin condition known as chemical leukoderma. This condition causes permanent loss of skin pigmentation at the place where the patch is applied. Main outcomes and measures. The primary outcome was change in the observer marked ADHD index of Conners Adult ADHD rating scale from the baseline to follow-up. Secondary outcomes included further ADHD rating scale scores, observer marked ratings of the Clinical Global Impression Scale, and self-ratings of depression on the Beck Depression Inventory. Conclusions and relevance results from COMPASS demonstrate a maintained improvement in ADHD symptoms for adult 1.5 years after the end of a 52-week controlled multimodal treatment period. The results indicate that MPH treatment combined with GPT or CM provides a benefit lasting 1.5 years. Confirming the result of the core study, GPT was not associated with better results regarding the primary outcome compared with CM. Finally, anyone who is concerned about medication safety should remember the risk of non-treatment. Untreated ADHD adversely affects a person's life in many ways. Those with ADD, ADHD who don't take medication have a significant increase in auto accidents, drug abuse, unplanned parenthood, and job loss. They also are more likely to separate or divorce compared with those who take medication. Thank you.